If you click this video because you or somebody you know is thinking of listing their property soon, make sure you watch this video to the very end because I want to make sure that you get as much exposure for your listing as possible, which is going to help you get top market value for your property in the shortest amount of time. It is important to use high quality video marketing when it comes to listing your home. My name is Brandon Vincent. I'm a real estate agent in St. John, New Brunswick, Canada, and I have helped hundreds of clients buy and sell over the last 6 years. In this video, I'm going to be telling you 5 reasons that you need to find a real estate agent that is going to be doing high quality video marketing for your listing so that you can get top dollar for your property. 4 and 5, they're extremely important and you're not going to want to miss them. Reason number 1. First impressions matter. Normally, a video is going to be the first impression that a potential buyer has for your property. So it is super important that you find somebody that is going to bring an energy to your listing and help convey the very special parts of your home, of your most valuable asset. And they're going to help convey the things that you love most about that home over video. There's certain things that pictures just don't describe, and there's an energy that pictures don't transmit. And if somebody goes in there with excitement and with fire and with energy that is bringing life to your home and highlighting the spots and things that you love, whether it be about the neighborhood or about certain things like a pool in back or the size of the yard or the location, all these things that really you can't hit home through photos, you want to make sure that you're finding somebody that is going to go in and do their diligence, sell the property as much as possible to help entice and encourage and energize buyers to want to come in and see it for themselves. There are stats and studies to back this up that show that listings with high quality videos get way more inquiries than properties that don't have any videos. Reason number 2 is you are increasing buyer confidence by walking through a home and doing a tour and a showcase of the property that you're selling. You are increasing potential buyers' confidence in that property, where pictures only show what the photo wants you to see. In a video, we can show the flow of the home and we can almost make it seem like a showing for individuals that actually aren't located in the town that you're listing. So in this market where we have so many people moving from provinces or states all over the world, it's important that you are able to portray the home to these potential buyers. And without videos, you're not able to really do that. You know, there's a stat, 72% of buyers say that they feel way more confident when they're able to see a video of the property and they're not able to go through it themselves. So this is just increasing the confidence of potential buyers, which is going to help you reach more people and get more interest in a shorter amount of time. And number 3, which is showcasing the property's lifestyle. When you get some drone shots, some cinematic angles, and some music in the background, you can now create an emotional connection when you're storytelling and telling the buyers the lifestyle that the property has. Because when you're buying a home, you're not just buying the home, you're buying the lifestyle that that home brings. Is there a water view? Is it a busy street? Is it a quiet street? Is it a young demographic? Is it an older demographic? Like, what's going on? How far away is the store? Is there any sports centers nearby? What can they expect when they move there? And a lot of photos don't tell that, but with a video, you can really explain this and show people so that they can have the confidence and believe in what you're saying, and not just see it through a picture or a description. Number 4, which is super important for you, the seller, your home is going to sell faster. Properties with high quality listing videos sell significantly faster than those that don't. And the reason is because it speeds up the confidence that the buyers are going to have. So they'll watch the video, they'll get excited, they see what's going on, and then they want to go see it in person. And if everything is concurrent with what they've seen through the video, that speeds up the decision-making process. They already know what they're going into. They want to confirm it in their mind. And that's all that has to happen, which creates faster sales, which is great for the seller. And number 5, which is the most important thing that I want for you, which is getting the highest offer possible on your property. When you have a high quality video done on your property that is bringing an amazing first impression, that is getting a maximum exposure and reach, that is building confidence with buyers and showcasing the lifestyle of the property, you are setting yourself up to have a faster sale and to reach a larger audience, as well as getting the highest offer possible in the shortest amount of time. So by working with a real estate agent who is going to incorporate this type of high quality video marketing for your listing, it is going to help you speed up the sales process, get more exposure, and ultimately get a better sales price for your property. And that's exactly what I want for you. If you'd like me to get you in touch with somebody who is going to do this for you, I'd be happy to help. I work with a vast network of agents who are proficient in video marketing, and I learn from them, and they are all over Canada and the US, and I would be happy to put you in contact with one of them so that they can help you do exactly this for your property. I'm going to leave my phone number in the description. Feel free to text me or call me anytime. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great day.